Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dryer timer in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws securing the control panel assembly. Detach the panel assembly. Pull off the timer knob. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the timer, then disconnect them. Use a 1/4" socket or nut driver to unthread the timer mounting screws. Install the new dryer timer by positioning it in the control panel, then thread the mounting screws. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals. Align the knob on the switch stem. Reinstall the control panel assembly. Rethread the 3 screws on top. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.